Hello and welcome back. So I fixed the audio, hopefully, so we don't get that annoying choppiness going on here. We're gonna work on a little bit of meta hacking tonight. So we're not gonna do much of C, right? We're gonna make a shell script that makes my video thumbnails for me, because that's the number one thing I hate doing with these videos is making thumbnails. So if we go and take a look on my channel. See here. Okay, so this is kind of the format we want, right? So just very simple. We want to grab a random frame from the video that I just recorded and then make this kind of thing. So a little transparent rectangle there, like 50% alpha, and then just some bold text, right? So that's the plan. We'll see if we can make it. I tried this once before, but then I ended up... basically, I started installing FFmpeg from Brew, so... it didn't work because it has like all these dependencies that have sub-dependencies, so it ended up like trying to install Rust, and then this system is too old to compile the Rust compiler stuff, so we're just gonna grab a copy from FFmpeg and compile it ourselves. So let's start with that. Let's just do this and download. Right. You can see I did this once just to make sure it works. Right. So. Okay. Cool. So we're just gonna compile that. So the idea with the script is we're gonna first of all extract a random frame from the video that I've just recorded, and then make the actual image using image magic. So I already have it. Wait, it's like it doesn't use that. It's like identify, right? So I have that installed already. Okay. Let's just let this run in the background while we figure this out. So first of all, I want to grab a test video. I just recorded a test recording before this one that we can use. So let's copy that. 2020, 11, what is it, 17th? 19th. And days go by fast. So let's see here. 17, I think. Yeah. Wait, 17, 24, yes. So we're just gonna use this video as our little testing here. So let's do like gen.shell. Okay. Cool. And I'm not gonna try and come up with this myself. I'm just gonna Google for the commands. Right. Whoops. This is how we do development here. No, maybe Google has some better stuff. As you can see, I already looked at this stuff once. Basically recorded half the video and then was like, yeah, I'm not gonna wait around for the all that stuff, because it was like from Brewers that tried to install like JDK, Rust, and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use. Right, we don't want to loop through all of them, but we're gonna sort of copy this and modify it. So let's see. Roughly total frames is gonna be that. Let me make this a bit wider so you can actually see it, and also, yeah, okay. We're gonna test this soon once this is done installing. FPS, we want to grab that as well. I don't really like this method. I think there's no way to like tell FFmpeg give me frame 192 or whatever. So I think this is why. So we get the total frame count, and then we get the frames per second of the video, and then based on that, you know, random frame. We'll find the random frame number. Let's see. Okay. And then we get the time. And then, yeah, so we're gonna grab that. We're save it to PNG, something like that. Actually, it doesn't matter, right? I guess JPEG is fine. Right, we don't want to loop. Okay. So, let's see, I and J. I guess it takes the arguments. I is the name of the file, and then J is gonna be the frame number. So we're gonna remove the J because we don't need that, and then it's gonna be random module total frames. Okay. And then, divided by the, okay. So, once we're done with that, let's start, let's just make a test image. So, I'm just going to take a screenshot of it for now. So, yeah, this is the test recording I did. So, yeah, we're just going to kind of do it like this for now. Before we get FFmpeg up and running. Right. Get rid of this. I think it's over here. Yeah, there it is. Now this right here. All right. There's our test image, and then we're going to try and figure out how to superimpose the stuff. So, image. I'm just going to go to Google. Draw rectangle transparent. There you go. I'm not the only one trying to do this. And by the way, the this format of thumbnail is just ripped straight from Andreas. Like, he said I could kind of borrow his whole vibe. Look at that, 10K subscribers. Congrats. Nice. Yeah, so looks like that's almost complete over there. Nut.html, what? Okay. That's done, cool. Transparent yellow rectangle over at a coordinate. Okay, so we take this one. Yeah, we just fill it. Rectangle. Okay, cool. That looks simple enough. Let's try that. Let's see. Can we do that? Let me just move this down here so I can see it. We can get rid of this as well. So we should now have. Do we have like help? There you go. I guess it should show the version. Or maybe not. Yeah, there we go. That should be the latest. Okay, cool. Can we grab the random frame? Let's see. So we get the total frames. I don't know why it's complaining about it. I don't have shoulder check on here. I don't think it'll work either. Right, so we get that one. Okay. So how do I get the first argument? Because that is using the I from before. Wait. I don't commit this stuff to memory. It's like $1. Yeah. Kind of arguments. Okay, so let's see. So I guess first we want to check for the argument count, right? So it's gonna be like, oops. If so, like dollar pound sign less than 1. I forget how this is done. Maybe that'll work. I don't think it'll work. Line 7. I'm gonna have to look this up. Okay, so what should we use? There's a bunch of shell scripts in the C-Ray directory. I forget these arguments. Like, let's see. Can we figure this out? Can you even do this? I actually wonder. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so it's like less than or greater than. Okay. Less than? Yes. Algebraically less than the integer 2. Okay. But then if case, where would I use that? I guess in scripts, right? Here. Okay, so oh, semicolon, I guess. I don't know, we have 2 here. Maybe we need that? I don't really like shell scripting, but it's useful sometimes for just getting up and running. Provide the video file, bro. Okay. That's gonna be, let me move that. So 2020 test.mkv. Okay, division by 0. Is that really gonna be like, okay, it always does that. Token is S. Line 15. Random frame. That's a module though. Maybe it's not getting the, I should just set it to like exit if it doesn't. This is actually using command substitution. I don't think shell has that, so I think we're just gonna have to bite the bullet and go to bash. There we go. Okay, so that's better. Let's just do that. Actually, that didn't work. It's still doing the thing. Just didn't abort this time. Okay. Maybe we can. So random modulo total frames division by 0. So total frames ends up getting to 0. Let's echo total frames as, and how do I guess we're just gonna really not in the typing mood today, huh? Total frames is nothing. Okay, let's just cat this and run this by hand. And then it's gonna be oh derp, I'm still using $I. Okay, that's stupid. Let's see if we can do something about that. Substitute $I for $1 globally. Cool. Yeah. Oops. I'm not even getting, okay. Let's see if we can do something about this. So this is gonna be just MKV. Okay, just doesn't return anything. Let's see where we messed that up. Oh. Okay, there you go. Try that. There we go. Frame count 3495. Okay. That'll work. I'll take that. I'm sure this video is a bit tedious. This is just how I write shell scripts. It's just kind of, yeah. Division by 0. Still. Oh, now it's line 20. Okay. So random frame divided by fips. I'm gonna guess this also has the same error. So let's grab this command as well. And actually, shouldn't that also have the command substitution? Right? What is this? 18_1 star AVI. That's kind of weird. Set FPS. What? Let's just get the frames per second. Okay. FPS is 0, which is not correct. I'm guessing this answer is from like a while ago. Oh, 2017. Might have changed some things since then. But we can make it work. So stream 0 has a H.264. I think I like this answer better. I think it's closer to 60 FPS. Let me check my OBS settings. Closer to 60 than 0 for sure. Like, yeah. Where do I see that in OBS? I don't know. Yeah, 60. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to go with 60 and try and get this value out of here. So, first of all, we're going to grep for not FPS. We're going to grep for stream 0, I guess. Right? And then I don't know if I can rely on this though. So what if we do H.264 maybe? This also, of course, assumes that it's always going to be H.264. So okay. Why does it show it twice? I don't know why it shows it twice. There's some magic that I use for getting just the first line. Yeah, F and R. I think that's like number row. I think. So we're gonna pass this through awk. This is not gonna be the optimal solution. I'm sure you can come up with something better. This is just how I do it. So cool. So there's our line, and then we're gonna cut it. Sorry about that. Cut it. Space is a divider, and we're gonna take the. I'm assuming it starts from 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I guess. No. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How did that happen? 10? Do we get U? That's weird. So it doesn't start from the beginning. If it's a space separated, then it's going to be, oh, right. I guess these spaces are counted. Right, okay. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. Cool, so this is actually the correct way. Where else are we going to stick this? Actually, stick this in here. So, cool. Still does that, and then test.kv. Oh, look at that. Did it actually make it? That's a random frame, right? It's horribly compressed. Let me make it a PNG. I don't like JPEG compression. And also the name is kind of weird. I think, yeah, so we'll do like a frame number. Yeah, something like that. That's much better. Okay, so PNG, we can live with that. No artifacting. It doesn't matter. It's gonna get squished down to the thumbnail anyway. But I just don't like. Looking at computer screenshots with text on it in JPEG. I just think that's So we can get rid of the test image, and we'll run this a couple times. We should get a couple files. Yeah. Just make sure these are kind of fine. Yeah, look at that. Seems to be this, well, obviously it's a random distribution, but 479, 46, 493, that's suspiciously close together. Obviously humans are not great at randomness. Yeah, it's just happened to happen. Yeah, okay. So there you go. Here's our selection of PNGs we got. Yeah, cool. That works. So we get our image. That works. Let me just make this a bit tighter. Cool. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Cool. Yeah, also we're gonna make the FFmpeg shut up. This keyboard's a bit weird. Like that. No, that didn't work. How do I shut it up? That's how I do it here. Weird. Oh, wait. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. Why does this not work? That's kind of weird. I don't know why that isn't working. Okay, whatever. Okay, we'll just ignore that. It doesn't really matter anyway. Remove all these, and then we now know the file name is gonna be. We'll get rid of this. So the this. Right. Cool. Then image magic. So let me first of all run this once. So if we ask ImageMagick about this image, what was it? It'll tell us that it is a 1920 by 1080, I guess, image. Yeah, full 1080p image. I think we can just make that assumption for now. Obviously, if we wanted to make this more portable, we would ask ImageMagick, hey, how big is this image? And then do the rest based on that. But we're just gonna make the assumption that I'm gonna be using this. If I put this on GitHub, then I'm gonna make it better, but not sure why I just wrote that command. Okay, so add stuff with image magic. Right, let's first of all do this by hand, so I see if we can do it. So this is our image. Make this a bit smaller here. See if we can make some magic happen. Convert. Stroke width 0, fill, RGBA. So we're gonna do like 50% gray, actually fully black, and then 50% alpha, and then draw a rectangle. Let's just first of all get our bearings. So final PNG or whatever. Then, so I don't know how this works. Let's just see what that makes. So 60, 50. I'm gonna guess it's like location and then dimensions, right? 150. There's our final image. Yeah, so 200 pixels wide. I could see that. Let's make it bigger. Let's do like something like that. Yeah, okay, so those are the dimensions. Okay, cool. So this is gonna be height is gonna be 1080, and then it's gonna be 1920 divided by 2, 960, and then it's gonna start at 0, 0, right? Right, that looks good. So we got our 50% gray. Let's make it a little bit darker, actually. You can't really see it. Obviously, all this can be modified. So we're just gonna adjust the alpha. It's gonna be like, let's do 70% opacity. Let's do 80% opacity. I forget what I set it to in... I think I made the images on my laptop before. So something like this. Might have been like 90% actually. But I think 80% should be fine. Let's split the difference. 85. There you go. That's good. Then superimpose some text. I think we can add it into the same command, but let's see what would happen if we just... so image magic draw text. Okay, so the font that I used before is sort of like this. I want it to be white, of course. Just some neutral font that isn't too obnoxious. So, well, these are old, old posts using Windows XP. That's fun. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna kind of work with this. Yeah, there's a lot of different approaches. This might be the most annoying part. Set text to the right. Gravity. Then the coordinates should be relative to the gravity setting. X0 will be relative to the right side. Okay. Keep that in mind. Add texts. You want it there. Okay. Gravity north. Okay, so we're just gonna make this in 2 commands at first. So we're gonna use our final PNG now. But obviously we might want to add it to the same command. I'm sure you can do multiple things in a single convert command. So we're gonna do just wing it and do like gravity west. Gravity west. It's kind of weird syntax. Point size. We'll do 30 and rotate. No idea what this plus 0 plus, okay, let's do plus 0 plus 100. Hey, our text? Is it in there? Might be, it's just dark. And also I just noticed there's a little, do you see the, actually no. That might just be my viewer. Actually, yeah, you can see a little dotted line at the top. That's kind of weird. Not sure what that's all about. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see it when I zoom in. I'm assuming it's just my image viewer. I'm gonna get rid of these. Yeah, so I'm gonna do font Helvetica. That sounds good. Then fill white. Let's make the point size bigger. Oh, wait. Draw. Yeah, whatever. Point size 60. We're just gonna kind of fiddle around with it until we get it right. Cool. Let us make this a lot bigger. So we're gonna do point size 260. Cool. And then we want it to break into lines. So actually we're gonna make this like 230, something like that. Yeah, okay. And then what happens if we move this like to the right, I guess? 200? Oh, it's going up. Okay. And then what happens if we add more text? Greetings. Okay, yeah, I figured. Coordinate 0.0 is the top left corner. Okay. Draw text. I think I like that one better. I don't know what this annotate is kind of weird. First of all, let me move this final.png to the very beginning because that bothers me. So font Helvetica. Make this a bit wider again. Fill white, gravity west, point size 230, and I like this draw command a bit better. Right? We're gonna try that. Something like that. Did do nothing? I guess it might be possible. Okay, let's just set the point size smaller. Greetings, something like that. Make sure it changes. Okay, it just happened to look identical. Okay. So, can I add another gravity thing here? Okay, it just overrides the previous setting. What happens if we just get rid of the gravity? I think that'll work. Because right now it sets the the origin point to sort of like the middle left. I don't want that. It was weird to begin with. Okay, so there is our text. I'm gonna guess we're gonna need to do this. Yeah. It's gonna be a bit fiddly, but we'll get through it. So now it's like absolute. So we're just gonna have to figure out how. Yeah, okay. So make the text a bit smaller. We just have to get this working once. And then, yeah, 200. Okay, I think I like that. So, I really, really hope there's a way to make this into like a text box. Multi-line text. Okay. Okay, so they removed that feature. Don't tell me the caption annotate thing is the recommended way. So the thing is, this is might be a bit more complicated than I was hoping for, because let's do like 50 here. Because I want to be able to just give the text as an argument to the script, right? So we can make this work for one word or a couple words, but if it goes too long, then it's obviously not going to work. We might have to tweak this a bit. Oh, damn. Why is this? Okay, what happens if I just try this? Okay, so it just, yeah, it doesn't, it ignores that. I just want to break it up into lines. How do I do that? All these image magic sites are like super old and weird. Yeah, these are all just like one-offs. I just want to automate this. How about Stack Overflow? The way I want it to behave is, yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. Paragraph enabled caption. Embed new lines, but I don't want to embed new lines myself. I want ImageMagick to do that for me. That's really annoying if we have to start like processing the text before we... Yeah, this is gonna be annoying, isn't it? Oh no. Okay. Caption is the option you're looking for. I don't know what Mogrify is. I've seen that before, but that's a very long caption. Okay, maybe... What code is this? I have no idea what kind of language this is, but... I guess we can use the caption thing then, huh? Maybe. We can just do this. It doesn't seem to want to print warnings or anything like that. So we're going to try and do that. Caption. Yeah, something like this. But I don't want, yeah, so... Because this, again, is doing, you know, multiple commands to stuff the thing. Fit all text horizontally when too long, yeah. Yeah. Convert, okay. Gravity, annotate, okay. We'll try this. Again, it's inserting the new lines because it doesn't... This might be really annoying, actually. You can't specify the width of it? Hey, maybe this will work. Size 1500x. Turning 10. Yeah, specify the width. That's what we want. Okay, cool. Let's try that. So the syntax is not this. Caption is going to be... let's remove this stuff. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. So we'll do gravity west for now. See if we get anything at least. It's nothing. Okay. Is that not the format? Where did my text go? It worked before, didn't? Yeah. Point size 200. Yes. Weight. I don't know what weight is. Gravity center. Okay. Yes. Font Helvetica. Let's try and pass in the size. I'm changing multiple things at the same time, but whatever. I don't know what that even does at this moment, but I don't get any text. Why do I not get any text? Let's just try one word. No errors. Okay. I don't think Convert ever puts out errors because I'm pretty sure I've done like super illegal stuff here. So, so this worked before, obviously. I don't know. Captain. I just need the syntax. Yeah, this is the same thing I just found. No, I don't want to look at the documentation because it's so... Okay. Label Anthony. There's so many different weird options for this. Label, vertical. No, I don't want labels. I think caption. Man. Center caption. Yeah, this uses like caption comma, which I'm doing now. It's not drawing anything. Fill red, font Arial, Helvetica, fill white. Point size 200. Gravity west. Yeah. Why is that not working? Let's yoink the size option. And try and like do 300. I just don't understand why there's no text whatsoever. Maybe this isn't working. Why is that not working? Yeah, there's no text. Where's my text? Let's remove the gravity. Put it to the center. Still no text. Add a dash. I'd really like some errors. Okay, there we go. Now we got some errors. Okay, so it just accepted it. Why is the caption not working? Convert. Point size, background, no fill, red, font Arial, gravity center. Caption that. And then it does some, weird stuff with the background. I don't care about that. Not showing up. Okay, image caption not showing up. Okay, maybe not. God, image magic is one of those things you want to set it up once and then just try and include new lines in the input text. Caption. I don't like that. They're using the annotation thing, which is again weird. But why is the caption option suddenly broken? Did we use it before? Or I don't know. Yeah, these results are garbage. Auto caption. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Well, yeah. I don't want to get your script. Why is this not working? Why would that not work? Let's think about this logically. We convert the final PNG Gravity center. Let's get rid of the gravity. Was it like this, maybe? Apparently not. With the pluses? Still no? Nothing at all? I don't get it. I just don't understand it. Annotate. Oh, it's like before the thing. It's, yeah, that's okay. I'm pretty sure this used to have a dash. This keyboard is all sorts of messed up. Maybe. Unable to open image. Greetings. Okay. Why would you think that is a file? Honestly, I think we were in better shape before when I started this. So let's just try and see. Add text. Multi. Add text. Adding text to an image. I guess this is not what we're using. Which one did we even use? I forget. We can't use the draw thing because we can't specify the width. Annotate. Maybe we used annotate. But then we don't. Why is this not scrolling? Please scroll. Yeah, this is what we're using. So let's just move from caption to annotate, I guess. Annotate. Will that work? Whoa. Okay, cool. I'm guessing that it's like doing a rotation. +0. Yeah, I guess it's doing like 100 degrees, right? Maybe. Yeah, okay, there we go. We're back. So, can we specify width with it now? Crap. Unrecognized option. Image magic caption width. At this point, I'm too frustrated to even try and get results from DuckDuckGo. Long caption text. No, you're not specifying point size. You're specifying the width. Windows bad syntax. Man, why do people use all sorts of weird things? Delwich, man. Maybe I shouldn't be using image magic. Trim line can be more complex. Add a border. All of these results, like, they're recent, but they're just... no, I don't like any of these. Resize caption font size. Point size, yes. Best fit. Try an error, okay. Justification. Let's do the gravity thing again. We're almost there. It's just... why do you want me to add the new lines? Like, can't... like, seriously, I just want to give it a size. Okay, I guess it's size, right? Size. What is it? Point size and size. Okay. Okay, but that's not... Nothing. It's just ignoring that option. Or I'm not using correctly. But why would you require you to add new lines? That's ridiculous. Our conclusion is I don't really like image magic. It's just weird. Obviously, I don't understand it fully. Because I just want it to work. That's the problem. It's one of those tools you just want to set it up and have it work. You don't want to spend time learning it. So you just kind of fumble with it to get it to work. Okay. Limiting width. File name is very large. Looks bad. No. I can't see an easy way of doing this. What are these solutions? Man, like ImageMagick can do so much, but then when you want to do a simple thing, it's like, there's no way to do that. Fitting text to an image. Yes. Rotate, background, fill, font. Length your text to set the width of the image. The size, and remove the point size, okay. I don't even know what the size is. Let's do 500x and see what happens. Nothing, evidently. Let's remove the point size. Can you do that? No, that just fucked it up completely. Let's do like, I don't know, man. I just don't know at this point. I'm out of options, man. Why does the size option not do anything? What is this? +0, +100? Man. Yeah, like in Notepad. Needs to know the font size and page margins. Label can't word wrap. Caption can. Do the rotation after the caption. Let's look at the documentation a bit more. Caption, okay, let's try this type thing. So, fill blue, font, point size, 300, that looks good. Size, 320, I guess. Let's do that. Caption. No annotate. Caption. And it's using single quotes, so we're going to do the same. And image. Okay, that worked. But then we need to do the size. Half the size. Oh, it's not even outputting the image, is it? Text dash 0. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's done a few. Okay. So we're going to do something like this. Yeah. It's not giving us an image? Yeah. It just fails to give us an image. That explains something. And it also was detecting that there was an image and not overwriting. I always wanted to overwrite by default. Assumptions broken. Why is this not working? That is a question. It doesn't emit an error. But obviously you can't create the image either. Oh man, now it took a little while. Text dash one, why? What is that? What is this ridiculous crap? What? I don't even know what I said there. Okay. Will it work now? Text dash 0. That's not what I gave you. I'm telling you to output to text.png. It's giving me text under dash 0 and text dash 1. What? That doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. What are these PNGs even? So it makes this one happily, and then it makes this other PNG that's just ridiculously tall and contains nothing but white. I think it's interpreting as like 2 commands, I guess, which make no sense. That's a surprise again. So right. Oh, it's trying to add it to the existing image, right? Is it? Yeah, it's trying to add it to that one. Okay. And I just deleted the text.image, which was the base image, right? So I'm messing this up. We'll get this working soon enough. Now I've totally lost the command to make the first one, so we're gonna look for it like... yeah, that one. Okay, so... no, it's taking the final.png. We didn't delete that. Yeah, okay, I'm just losing my train of thought here. This is mega confusing. Let's save this command so we can remember it for later. Let's just put this in here for now. And then figure this shit out, because this is frustrating me. We take the final.png that we just made. We set some settings. I don't think gravity will work. Just get rid of the gravity. But other than that, we're using the same settings. Did it still make 2 files? It made 2 files. Why is it outputting 2 files? That makes no sense to me at all. So it gives us the original image back. That's kind of you. And then it just makes this broken image that doesn't help me at all. Okay, that's really cool. Why would it do that, though? That doesn't make any sense. I'm trying to understand what kind of messed up logic that would fit. How long have we recorded for? This is an hour-long video. I'm not even halfway done. It is not optional. A maximum width in pixels. So the size has to be 960. So 1920 divided by 2, right? So 960 has to be the width, right? The point size we'll do like 100 for now. And then it just messes it up. It gives us 2 invalid images. I just don't understand why it would do that. Is it broken? I don't think it is. Take the final image, give us that one image. Why would that not work? That is weird. Image magic, giving out 2 images. Why? No, no, no. Okay. I'm betting that this page was probably written before I was born. It looks like it. The capture image from text input generator. Instead of expanding the size of the text to fit a specified size settings, Word wraps any long lines that do not fit into the specified size width. This is what I want. Let's just copy this command for now. And this is going to be... This is generating a new image. So, yeah. Place capture on existing image. Okay, I guess we have to use the parentheses. Hide the capture. Ooh, we might be getting closer. Okay, let's try this. So, what it wants us to do is convert the image, and then yeah. Okay, so let's make a new command. So it's gonna be size 960x. Where's the height? Okay. We might be able to also do the background here as well. We'll do font Helvetica, L white, caption very long, and then composites, yeah, and then text.png. Commands. Oh. How do I escape that? Because now Fish is trying to interpret that. No, don't. How do I escape? Parentheses. I'm just gonna assume it's gonna be like this. Okay. Okay, unbalanced parentheses. Which I would love to see what it thinks it got. Okay, so it may just be that this answer is like completely wrong. Convert. This is from 2018. Very long line. Gravity. Center. Does it want us to add the spaces? I'm assuming this is part of the ImageMagick syntax. Oh, okay. They wanted the... Okay, that's something. It's actually the correct width now. I don't think we want the fill white option here, because it's just going to fill it with white. I think we're maybe getting closer. There we go. Very, very long line. So now composing two things together. Okay, that's cool. I think we're getting there. So the background, composite, background, okay, fill, background, black. So we'll do, I guess it's transparent, right? I hate these. I don't like these ancient. Just give me the answer. Don't tell me a story. Yeah, transparent. Yeah, okay. We're gonna do something like this. So it was. No, transparent. No, transparent white. And is that correct? Yeah, boy, let's make it a bit bigger. Point size. Okay, cool. We're getting closer. Want it to fill. Hey, we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's make it really long. With lots and lots of text. We got frustrated there earlier, but I think, yeah, there we go. Okay, we're getting closer. So we want to offset that a little bit, and I forget how that was done. Where would I add that option? I think it's like after this. Yeah, so we're gonna actually caption. No, don't. Image man. We could do it, yeah, plus X. Maybe. Do like. No. Did we have that? This answer is great. This got us closer to where we're going here. I'm gonna upload that. That is a good answer. This is exactly what I wanted. Cool, okay, so gravity center. I guess we can offset it here as well. But I'd rather... yeah, so... so it will be like image mat set composite. Post two images with gravity offset. Geometry, okay. Do we even have gravity? Yeah. Dash jail. Wait, what was that? Geometry, okay. We'll do 50 pixels. Pause 0. Unable to open image. Okay, that didn't work. was it? Compose over. How do I overlap? Yes. Compose. Dash geometry. Geometry. Why is not recognizing the geometry option? I guess, are we already trying to... Yeah, we're trying to do it here with the same name, which is kind of confusing. Yeah, maybe it worked. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, let's make the text bigger. So it's gonna be point size, what was it, 300 before? And that is way too big. Let's make it like 150, half the size. 150. Okay, now it's too long. Let's make it shorter. So like 900 or something. Cool. Nice. I feel like this is almost good enough. Let's find a better font. Wonder what I used. Now I gotta grab my laptop and check what I used in GIMP because I want to use the same one. So this is the way I did the thumbnails before. I would just grab my laptop with GIMP and GIMP and kind of battle with that as well because it's another one of those tools that I never really learned well. So I just Google how to do everything because nothing really makes sense to me. It doesn't make intuitive sense, but obviously if you learn it. So here's our text. How do I set the options? Okay. SF compact. Kind of like that font. Bold. Can I just stuff that in here? Font. Let's just do it like this. I don't know how this works. How do I get a separate custom font? I could try and load it up from the directory, but I don't want to do that. How does it load the fonts? I can see all the available fonts. Convert list font. Oh, there we go. Oops. Oh. Nothing. Okay, what do I have? What if we just get like Helvetica? We have Helvetica Bald. We'll do Helvetica Bald, I think. I'm guessing it's just gonna do like Helvetica Bold. And that's gonna be it. I'm happy with that. It's not quite set. How would I center that? Let's do like 80. So let's see. It's 960 pixels wide. Like this black square is 960 pixels wide. And so the midpoint would be at 2, so it'd be 480. And I don't know how much space we have at the beginning, so I'm just gonna wing it. 90. As long as I get this working once, that I'm happy with that. And then let's look at my, because I feel like it looks different. Yeah, the text is just, yeah. Okay. I'm happy with that. I want to make the font a bit bigger. Like 180. Just so it's visible. Yeah, cool. Let's do one of those example, one of my actual titles to see how it looks. I think we're almost done here. So let's do per object ray offsets. No, that's not right. Center, justify. Okay. We're not quite done. Caption, image, magic, caption, justify. Gravity and justification. Okay, gravity center, I guess. Let's do gravity center for that one. See what that looks like. There we go. Okay, and then the offset's fucked up, so we're just gonna undo that. It bothers me that there's a little bit of more space here and then there. I think we're gonna just let it slip. Let's add like 50 pixels here. Like 25, maybe we can get away with that. Okay, well, I'm happy with that. Obviously, I can tweak this as I go, but I think that's it for this one. So let's wrap this up in a script, and then we're done, I guess. Hour and 18 minutes for a single script. Well, I have to do this once, and then I'm gonna save like 15 minutes every time I make a video, so this is worth it. Okay, so there's our final convert command. Quite a thing here. I feel like I can add. I'm just gonna do it in 2 steps. I'm not gonna care about it. Right, so this is gonna take our random frame. Oops. Add the dark rectangle. Then this is gonna go to like temp. And then we're just gonna stuff this command in here. Which is, oops, like, gonna be like, take temp. And then it's gonna do to, and then we're gonna remove temp.png. Right? Will that work? So it's gonna take the, also gonna remove the, so this is gonna be the random frame. I don't want to mess with that. And I'm gonna make it into temp, and then convert temp to that one and delete that. Then also we're gonna want to remove the random frame.png. Okay. now let's add the parameter for the actual text. So I forget how to take shell script string argument shell script string is an input parameter. How do we do this? I don't think I've ever done that before. This is a weird form. All the arguments, single quotes. Okay, I think we can do this. I'll try that. So video file and text bro. Right, so then we're gonna grab the string. This may not work. $*, and then we're just gonna echo it for now. That's our cool title. Yes. What was it? Yeah. Okay. Nice. And I don't want the quotes there. Actually, do we want the quotes there? Maybe we do. I don't want these quotes. Don't want these. Yeah, so this is our cool title. And we're gonna strip the first one. Let's do like this. Echo. I'm just gonna cut it with awk. Awk skip first word. Maybe the first word in text stream. Oh, cut. Okay, yeah. Or use cut. That's better. And then it's gonna be F2. Cool. This. I'm guessing the dash is important here. Yeah, this is our cool title. Cool. So that is our thumbnail string. We're just gonna stuff that into this command here. This is gonna be great. It's gonna save me a lot of time. Okay, so now let's see. I almost removed the thumbnail script we worked on just now. At least I have the recording so I can remake it. So this is a really cool title that I just came up with. Probably not gonna fit, but open thumbnail. That's nice. I think we're done here. It still, this is from the because we're using the. Wait, what? Hold on. I think we're using the wrong file. Let me close these. So file name. Yes. Oh, yeah. We're using the temp.png. Oops. There we go. Thumbnail. Look at that. Oh. We missed a step. And what? Yeah. We missed the first one, so we convert the... First of all, this one needs to use file name. Oh, yeah, okay. So it goes to temp, and then temp.png goes, okay. And yeah. Maybe that'll work. Cool. Nice. Let's make it again. Just should be a different frame, but the exact same text. That is awesome. I like that. Single script. It'll make me a YouTube thumbnail. Let's look at the image stats here. Thumbnail. So this video is a very good overview of how I usually write scripts. A lot of Googling, a lot of quick, just don't read the docs. Just try and get it working. I don't know why I did that again. That is cool. I like that. It's pretty much what I would make with GIMP, except that, you know, I can make it that quickly. And you know what? I'm gonna put this on Git. Peg Gen. Status again, and then tail generator for my YouTube videos. I guess we're gonna wanna do like this. What is it? Let's come up with a really creative thumbnail. Integrating flux capacitor to our time machine. Right. I'm happy with that. Do we need anything else? I'm just messing around at this point. That's going to be a creative commit message. Let us make a Git repository. I will put a link to this repository down below so you can check this out. And if you're really feeling generous, you can even improve it if you want. Thumbgen. Mega simple video thumbnail generator. Let's just put it under the MIT license. Free license. This is gonna be copyright 2020. MIT license. Then create a repository. I always forget how to do this the right way. Yeah. Let's see. Cool. Nice. It's on there, so you can go read it if you really want. You can even improve it. If you got this far, I thank you very much for watching my tedious scripting. We got a little frustrated in the middle, but yeah, we got it working. We now have a video thumbnail generator, and you can bet I'm gonna use this script to make the thumbnail for this video. So yeah, if you thought it was a nice thumbnail, this is how we made it. So thank you very much for watching, and I think on the next video we'll be working on some new stuff with Zero again. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Have a good night.